together though, okay? Hands on your hips, push them forward.